Hi everyone, my name is Bindu. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about Power BI DAX interview questions. These are mostly related to Power BI junior developer role. So let's get started.
What is DAX and why do we use it in Power BI? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It's the language we use in Power BI to write formulas and custom calculations. Things like totals, averages, percentages, or year-over-year changes. It helps us build dynamic and interactive reports. What's the difference between a calculated column and a measure? A calculated column adds a new column to your data. It's calculated row by row. A measure doesn't add anything to your table, but it gives you results like totals or averages based on what you filter in your report. Can you give a simple example of a DAX measure? Sure, here's a basic one. Total sales equals to sum of sales amount. This adds up all the numbers in sales amount column from the sales table. What's the difference between sum and SUMX functions? Sum function just adds up a single column. SUMX function lets you do a calculation on each row first and then adds the result. For example, if you want to multiply quantity by price before summing, you would use SUMX. What is context in DAX? Context means the environment in which a formula runs. There's row context, which happens when Power BI calculates one row at a time, and filter context, which is affected by things like slicers or visual filters on a report. What does the calculate function do? Calculate is used when you want to change the filters used in a calculation. For example, you can use it to show sales from last year or sales only for a specific region, even if your report is filtered differently. What does all function do? All removes filters. You can use it when you want to calculate something like a total, no matter what the user selects in the report. It's useful for percentages and comparisons. How do you handle division errors in DAX? Instead of using the regular division symbol, use the divide function. It safely handles divide by zero errors and avoids crashing your visuals.
In the next video, we are going to talk about some of the most frequently asked time intelligence interview questions. So stay tuned.